Lesson number 4. Watch list overview. Watch list is a list of financial instruments. For each tool, the watch list shows the title of the ticket, full name of the financial instrument, type of financial instrument, in my case CFD, spread. When the spread increases, the text is colored in one color. When it decreases, in another color. If the spread is unchanged, in the third color. The cost of a tick, which is calculated from one lot. Information about the minimum and maximum volume for making a transaction. Minimum margin for one lot. The list of financial instruments displays, in my case, ask price, bid price, delete a financial instrument button, raise the tool to the top of the sheet button. Let's try deleting BAC financial instrument. Clicked, and the tool was deleted. To raise the financial instrument to the top of the list, click the up arrow. The financial instrument is at the very top. There are two columns opposite the financial instruments. These columns can be configured in the settings of the Watchlist and Linker Advisor. This is the responsibility of the column 1 data and column 2 data settings. Since I have Ask Price selected in the first column, Ask Price is shown. If something else was selected, different data would be displayed. You can also completely disable the display of any data in the first column. The same can be done with the second column. If necessary, you can display other standard indicators added to Watchlist and Linker in these columns. You can suggest other indicators that you think it makes sense to add. When updating the program, your indicator may be added. You can output ATR, percentage growth changes, or port your own indicator to Watchlist and Linker. There'll be a separate lesson on porting data and indicators. Now I will still have Ask and Bid in my columns. You can sort financial instruments in the list. So, if we click on the Ask button, the list will be sorted from smaller to larger. The most expensive financial instrument will be at the end of the list. If we click again, the sorting will be reversed, and the most expensive financial instrument will be at the top, and the cheapest at the end of the list. Control in Watchlist is performed using the mouse, as I do now. Using the mouse wheel, but only in MetaTrader 5. At the moment, this is the only difference between the version for MetaTrader 4 and version for MetaTrader 5. And by the keyboards button. The up key allows you to move up the list, the down key down, the delete key removes the financial instrument. Home selects the topmost instrument from the list. And the lowest one. Page up and page down allows you to scroll the list up or down. And that's how the watch list works.